how to reset your Megane RS 2016 model. You see this button, guys? Just click only this one, then search for the service interval. Yes, yeah, that one. If you found that service interval, just long press this this button and just wait until the actually I already reset that one for 10,000. This Renault 2016 model, guys, Megane is different. There is two reset. You're gonna reset this oil change and then reset also the service in, because if you did not reset this service in, still the spanner will light on. See, guys, see, still light on. Just long press only, maybe 10 to 15 seconds. Just wait until see, you can see the screen. See, the service spanner is it's already off, so it means it's already done, guys. Remember, if 2016 model, you should reset the oil change and service in. That's all, guys. I hope it can help to you. Thank you.